We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
Hey there YouTubers, it's your girl Brett over here at Onyx. Today I'm going to show you how to replace your toner, and I'm working with an HP LaserJet CP1525. First thing first, this printer does take a CE320 series of toner. So go ahead and open this hatch here. There's a blue little latch/button. It'll pop that out once you touch it. So here's all your toners. They are color coded. So there should be a little tab right here that tells you what color goes where. So you would just take out the old toner, unbox your new one, get it ready, and then stick it back in that same slot. Once you get them replaced, it's really easy. You'll shut the drawer. Once you hear it click in place, then you know you're good to go. Same with the hatch. After that, your printer will then reconfigure. If you guys are in need of any supplies or quotes, give your girl Brett a call and have a great day.
Thank you for watching. If you're interested in how you can receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs.